What's the laziest way for beginners to make serious money online today? This is a question I get asked all the time, and let's face it.
Who wouldn't want to earn serious money with barely any effort and have the freedom to work from anywhere?
Using the strategies I'll share in this video, I've built multiple million-dollar online businesses, achieving true financial freedom, but I'm not the only one. Thousands of others have used this exact approach to create thriving online businesses and enjoy the same freedoms. Just take KJ, who scaled from $3,000 to over $61,000 per month, or Taylor, who was able to quit his job and make $20K per month from home, and Kyle, who was able to trade in his 9-to-5 for an online business that gave him true freedom. And there are countless others who've become time, location, and financially free by following this same model. The problem, though, is that most of the advice out there about how to make money online is outdated, overly complicated, or just plain wrong. So in this video, I'm cutting through the noise to show you what actually works in order to give you the best, most beginner-friendly business model to start today. As Naval Ravikant says, you're not going to get rich renting out your time. You need to own part of a business to achieve financial freedom. And that's what we're going to focus on here. Finding a business model that maximizes your profit potential with the least hassle. In order to do that, we'll use my business model matrix to evaluate this opportunity by 7 essential factors. The first is startup capital. How much money do you need to get started? The next is learning curve. How fast can you start making money? The simpler and the faster, the better. After that, we have automated operations. How much of the business can run on autopilot, minimizing hands-on work? Then we have scalability. Can this model grow without tying you down with extra work? After that, we have risk level. Higher risk means more stress, and even easy money isn't always worth it if it's not sustainable. After that, we have market demand. Do people actually want to buy what you're selling? And finally, we have fun and enjoyment. Is it fun to do, and are you actually going to enjoy doing this? So the goal here is to see if this new opportunity really is the easiest, most profitable business model out there. Something you can start with no money, is low risk, fun to do, and is actually in demand. Oh, and has got to be able to bring in at least $100 a day, so no survey sites or low-paying freelance gigs that just waste your time. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's dive in. All right, let's get right to it. The simplest, most beginner-friendly business model out there right now is a service-based agency that uses automation and AI tools. Think of it as the lazy business model, because once you set it up, it pretty much runs itself, and clients pay you month after month for services they genuinely need. But here's where it gets interesting. Small business owners, think local shops or gyms or clinics and similar businesses, need help attracting more customers and boosting their online presence, but they don't have the time or the resources in order to manage it themselves. So that's where you come in. With High Level, a powerful software tool designed specifically for marketing and automation, you can offer small businesses services like reputation management, and local SEO, and customer re-engagement campaigns, all set up to run on autopilot. High Level is like having an agency in a box. You set up simple, automated systems that deliver results while minimizing your involvement. This is more than just selling marketing services. It's about building something that's profitable, scalable, and easy to manage. So if you're ready to earn predictable income while enjoying the freedom of a streamlined agency model, then let's jump in by taking a look at some of my favorite high-impact services that you can offer with High Level that'll make you essential to your clients while giving you that low-effort, high-reward business model, starting with reputation management. Reputation is everything for businesses today. Imagine choosing between 2 coffee shops, one with 50 amazing 5-star reviews and one with only a handful of mixed reviews. It's an easy choice, right? That's why reputation management is essential. It keeps a business's online image polished, building customer trust. And High Level makes this service incredibly easy to offer, as it automates the whole review request process and allows you to capture positive feedback and even filter out negative reviews before they even happen. And the way that you do this is through an automated workflow, something you can launch with the click of a button. And with this system in place, you only need to check in occasionally, and your client's reputation keeps growing strong with minimal effort. Also, quick note here, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get a copy of all of these systems and workflows and automations and a whole lot more, all for completely free, so make sure to stick around until then. Okay, the next service to offer is Google Business Profile SEO. For local businesses, showing up in Google's local search results can be an absolute game changer. I mean, just think about it. When people search for dentist near me or best plumber in town, they usually click on the top businesses in Google's map results. So, optimizing a Google business profile is like securing a prime location online, making the business easy for local customers to find. Lucky for us, this high-value service is pretty easy to set up, as the three most important factors to ranking higher are, number one, making sure the Google business profile is claimed and verified and filled out completely with essential details like hours and contact info. Number two, trying to get as many positive 5-star reviews as possible, which is what you're going to do with reputation management. And then number three, building something called citations, which is really just fancy marketer talk for backlinks. And again, lucky for us, we can do this directly inside High Level with a click of a button. Okay, next up is a personal favorite of mine and is one of the ways that we're able to offer clients a way to get 20 to 30 new sales without spending $1 on ads. It's called a customer reactivation campaign, and here's how it works. Businesses often overlook past customers, but they're a hidden goldmine. They already know and trust the business, and a quick customer re-engagement message can often revive these relationships without any added marketing costs. Here's how it works. First, get a list of a business's past customers. Then, click the list reactivation workflow. And don't worry if this looks a bit confusing right now, as I'm going to give you everything for free at the end of the video. And then, well, no and then. That's it. High Level will now automatically reach out to these customers with a special offer in order to bring them back in. The business will make sales, and you, my friend, are going to look like a marketing superhero. It's the ultimate win-win. Okay, next up, missed call text back. In busy moments, it's easy for businesses to miss calls, but each missed call could mean a lost customer. Missed call text back fixes this by instantly sending a text message to anyone who calls when the business can't pick up the phone. It's kind of like having a digital receptionist, always on hand to keep potential clients engaged. And just like everything else that we've talked about so far, setting this up in High Level is super simple. All you need to do is enable the missed call text back feature, customize the message to sound friendly and helpful, and then automate your follow-ups. The message can say something like, "Sorry we missed your call, how can we help?" This way, the business never misses a lead, and potential customers feel attended to, even if no one could pick up the phone. But as great as missed call text back is, there's actually something even more powerful and packs more profit-producing punch than anything I've seen in a while. And that, my friend, is a little something called AI Employee. So let me show you how that works. Imagine having an employee who works 24/7, is always ready to greet every caller with a friendly voice and answer their questions and guide them exactly where they need to go. No breaks, no missed calls, no out-of-office hours. Well, High Level's AI Employee brings that level of service to life, acting like a virtual front desk assistant who's available anytime a customer calls. For businesses handling a high volume of calls, this AI Employee doesn't just save time, it ensures that no customer inquiry ever goes unanswered, leaving a lasting impression of responsiveness and professionalism. And the best part? Well, it all happens automatically, without needing extra staff to stay on top of every call. This AI is a true game changer in keeping customers connected and informed and impressed. Here's how it works. The AI is trained to recognize and answer frequently asked questions and capture caller information and provide personalized guidance to the right department or service. With a quick setup to align its responses with the business's tone, it feels about as natural and helpful as a real human assistant, and you can train it to say or do whatever you want. For example, I've trained up my own AI employee to deal with even the most ridiculous requests. So let's call her now.
Hey, you have reached the support line for Adam Erhart. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'm curious if you are a mind-reading robot who has been sent here from the future to take over the world.
No. I'm just here to help you with your queries. So, what can I assist you with today?
Well, I am curious about when the next video is going to be released.
A team member will reach out to you with the details about the next video release. In the meantime, could I get your name and phone number so they can contact you?
Yeah, my name is Adam, and the phone number that I called in on is the best one to reach me.
If there's anything else you need or any other questions, just let me know. Otherwise, a team member will be in touch soon. Have a great day.
So what makes this model so effective? Well, let's break it down using the essential factors from my business model matrix. First, we have startup capital. You don't need much to get started. With high levels, free trial, and affordable pricing, this model has one of the lowest cost barriers to entry, making it perfect for beginners. After that, we have the learning curve. How fast can you start making money? Well, the simpler, the better, and High Level provides user-friendly tools, and once you're familiar, you can easily replicate these services across multiple clients without the need for advanced skills. Then we have automated operations. This model relies heavily on automation, meaning much of the business can be run on autopilot, minimizing the hands-on work that you need to do in day-to-day operations. Then we have scalability. Can this model grow without tying you down? And the answer is absolutely. As you bring on more clients, you can replicate these setups with only minor adjustments. More clients means more income, but it doesn't mean more work. Then we have risk level. Higher risk typically means more stress, and even easy money isn't always worth it if it's not sustainable. Well, here your main investment is time, with no inventory, no shipping, or no complex logistics. This keeps risk low, making it an ideal choice for beginners. All right. Market demand. Well, small businesses need these services, and they're willing to pay for reliable help that brings in more customers. Demand is steady and seen as an essential component of any business. And then, fun and enjoyment. Is it fun to do? And are you actually going to enjoy doing this? Well, this model is about providing value in a streamlined way. So the reward of helping businesses succeed, combined with minimal ongoing effort, makes this both profitable and incredibly enjoyable. But the next question then is just how much money can you make with this business? Unsurprisingly, this business model is incredibly profitable, even with just a handful of clients. I mean, just imagine, 5 clients paying $500 a month, that's $2,500 per month in reliable recurring income with minimal ongoing work. 10 clients paying $500 per month, well, now you're looking at $5,000 per month. And thanks to High Level's automation, this income doesn't require significantly more effort as you add new clients. Or you can consider a more flexible approach and create a hybrid agency by offering basic automated services for $500 per month and reserving premium high-touch services at $1,500 to $2,500 per month. And you can scale even faster. I mean, just 4 clients at $2,500 a month gets you to $10K a month. And this model lets you serve a range of clients and maximize revenue with options that fit pretty much every level of service. So if you're ready to dive in and start landing clients quickly, I've got something special to help you get started. So real quick, if you're ready to launch your own digital marketing agency but aren't sure where to start, then right now I'm giving away my complete proven agency growth system. These are the exact steps that I use to build multiple 7-figure agencies and land clients like Google and Amazon and Meta, and it's yours for completely free. This isn't just another course. It's a tried and true framework with everything that you need to succeed and to start strong, including high converting templates and client getting scripts and automated sales funnels, all refined over the past decade. And for a limited time, I'm also including a 30-day free trial to High Level that's preloaded with all of these tools baked in, so you can start bringing in clients from day one without spending a dime. When you sign up today, you'll get instant access to fully set up websites and client attracting funnels, improving client getting scripts, and ready to launch templates and step-by-step processes for selling, serving, and scaling. In other words, it's a complete agency in a box that plugs directly into High Level, so you can start landing clients immediately. And thanks to the extended free trial, you can start making money without any upfront costs. And to make sure that you're fully set up for success, you'll also receive a one-on-one kickoff call to get everything set up, 24/7 support from high-level experts, exclusive access to a private members-only community, and daily live coaching with me and my team. Don't miss this chance to get your agency off the ground and start seeing real results right away. Just tap or click the link in the descriptions or the top comment, or visit growmyagencynow.com in order to get started. And can't wait to see what you build.